Everyone. So we are going to demonstrate that how the send email automation is going to work with the SwiftSupport. So here we do have left panel. We do have so many options: inbox, agent, data store. So let's go with the chat flow. So I already created one of the chat flow, and let me open that. So I'm just need to click on this icon, and it is going to open the flow. So it will start with then sender, receiver, content, subject. Okay, so this is all things we need to configure. Then we need to write some of the functions. I'm going to explain that as well. And then this is the knowledge base. So you can see that we have created the knowledge base for that Slack PDF, and then we do have the LLM node, and you can see that we have given the prompt over here as well, and we do have option like other model as well. Then we do the function that to create the mail. Actually LLM is going to create the mail, and we need to remove some of the data from the mail, so that's why we write the function. And then we have connected our Gmail. So this is the flow. Now over here we do have the function, right? So we have created two functions: return email content data. So whatever the email that we have receiving, right? So it is extracting the content data from that email. So this is the function that is going to do that. And return data to send email. So this is the whatever the text that LLM is generated, and it is going to pass it to this Gmail node. Okay, so let's go to the function, and we do a couple of functions, and one is that return data content too. So you can see that it is not bigger function, so it is just extracting the content and just passing it. That's all it is doing. And then return data from the send email. Okay, so it is checking the email sender, then body generated reply. Okay, so it is creating the format that Gmail is supporting. Now we do have the automation. Okay, so automation is nothing. Let's open this automation. So I need to click on this icon. So you can see that I have just configured the Gmail over here again. Okay, so I have connected the same account, 𝗪𝗵𝘆@gmail.com. Then over here I didn't need to select the parameters. Okay, so if you remember, so here we do have the subject, content, receiver, and sender, and this is the drop down that is predefined. Okay, so for the email configuration we do have the predefined these parameters, but when it's come to that subject, content, receiver, and sender, we have selected from this flow. So chatbot flow, and from here you can see that sender, receiver, content, and subject. So all of the subject, all of these things, whatever we provided over here, that is going to be captured over here. Now let's go to that automation again. Okay, so here we have configured the same thing. Now let's test the email. Okay, so let me go to my email. Okay, so you can see that this is the email address, 𝗏𝗏𝑠.u. This is my email address. Now go to that send email, and then create email. Okay, so I'm just creating the new email, 𝗪𝗵𝘆.m, then subject, query about Slack, because we have trained with the Slack data, Slack PDF. Or let's say I like to know how can I create new channel in Slack. Thanks, Hitesh. Okay. Like to know how can I create the Slack channel. I'm just sending it. Okay, so this is the email. Now let's go to the 𝗪𝗵𝘆 mailbox. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so we do have this email now. How I would like to know how to create the Slack channel. Now we do have the scheduler. Okay, so this is the automation. Okay, so it is scheduler actually. It is checking the mail from this inbox, and it is going to send the email for this one. Okay, so just wait for some time. Actually it is waiting for 1 minute, and then it's going to auto send email. Okay, so let me refresh this again. Okay, inbox, we do not have any new mail, just waiting for some time. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, so you can see that query about the Slack. Hi Hitesh, I hope you are doing fine, and to create the Slack channel you can follow the steps. So it is giving the flow Slack. Okay, that's all. Thank you.